guys, Lori Walker, and welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a really cool hack on getting super cheap Facebook ads. And in a moment, I'm going to also share with you how to tap into YouTube traffic for free. So let's get started. Okay, so now we are inside my Facebook ads account. So I'm going to assume that you've already created your Facebook ad account. And I'm going to also assume that you've created your pixel. Me personally, I don't use pixels if I am doing a page likes campaign. Now, the reason why a page likes campaign is important is because if you have a brand new Facebook page or business page, people are normally drawn to a social media page that they think is popping. And this is like the fastest way to get likes, because you may not want to bother your friends and family, begging them to like your page and stuff like that. This way you can go ahead and knock out your pages and continue to build your online presence. So after you name your like campaign, you are going to be directed to this page here. After you go ahead and tell Facebook that you are participating in a engagement or a like campaign, it's going to direct you to this page here. The buying type is auction and the objective is page likes. If you are doing A/B testing, you go ahead and mark that there, but I didn't do that. Then you're going to be directed to this page here. Okay, you have the option of naming your ad set. And I think I just left it blank. It just went ahead and my ad set name just went ahead and took the name of my demographics. That's where that came from. At the time, I had one Facebook page, okay, and that populated there. My daily budget was $5. I either do $5 or $10. Okay, your start date, you can either have a start and end date, or you can just leave it blank. Custom audience, I just left that blank. And these are locations that I picked. Okay, in the update, I'm going to show you what I put in there now. Age 18 to 50, I also made a change there. All genders, detailed targeting. You put down most popular topic within your niche. I also made a change to this as well. Languages, I put English UK or English US, and also I made a change here as well. I put manual placements. Also, as you see here, if you have a question about something here, you can click it. And once you click it, it'll give you more information here, or something will pop up to the right. Okay, all devices, I put Facebook. And then here for placements, I put feeds, Facebook news, and Facebook marketplace, and it just shows you what it looks like, and it's different feeds. That's what this is. Left that blank. All right. And then the final page is where you actually create your ad. It's just saying that this ad is over. That's what that is, and I can't make any more edits to it. This is my ad name. I did that myself. I named it. That's what I named it. The option of either using Facebook's images, or you could use your own. And for this one, I just decided to use the image from my fan page. And here you can expand it to see what it looks like. Then after you're happy with what you made, then you can go ahead and publish that. Now I'm going to show you the changes that I've made to this one. It's 1,542 likes, 2 cents a click. Named it Glory Walker Likes Campaign. Buying type is still the same, auction. Campaign objective is still page likes. Skip that. Go back up to ad set. Okay, like I said, it doesn't matter what you name. This is just for you. Again, they give you an option to pick which page. If you just have one page, this will already be populated here. The daily budget was $7. And this just is a tool to show you an estimated response in the cost. So you don't do anything here. I think it was like 4 days, I think. Custom, I didn't have a custom audience. Okay, now I am choosing worldwide as my location. And this is really the secret sauce here, your age group. Now you can go as low as 13. So I put 13 to 65. Just make sure you don't have anything crazy or illegal that you have in your ad, because you will get banned. So I put 13 to 65. All genders. And I did something different this time. For my detailed targeting, I put down sports as an interest instead of the usual digital marketing and stuff like that, because I wanted to widen my potential reach, which is over 700 million people over here. Okay, so I changed that. I put English US. Okay, I probably could have widened that out again by putting English UK, but I just left it to English US. Connection type, I don't think I had anything there. I left that blank. Okay, and this time I put automatic placement, because automatic placement seems to be cheaper than using manual placement. So I changed that. And I think that if I would have put manual placement, I think that would widen my audience even more. But I just left it that way. Optimization for ad delivery is page likes. Okay, I left this other stuff. I didn't touch anything there. I just left that blank. Okay, now let's go up to the actual app. Again, it doesn't matter what you name it, that's just for you. This is your Facebook page. Identity, it'll be a drop down box, and you can pick whichever one you want to. They will give you an option of using your own image, or you can use Facebook page image. I use Facebook pages, the gallery, I use their image. What I do is, in order to get as many likes as I can, I try to use something inspirational. So I picked this out. I picked this particular image, and I said, surround yourself with positive people. Their energy is contagious. Let me see. An opportunity may knock only once, but temptation leans on the doorbell. I think that's what I put. I think that's what that is. I got 1,000 likes, and then I also got 3 comments here. And just let your ad roll. The cost of your Facebook likes or your Facebook ad or your Facebook ads, a lot of it depends on what type of campaign you're running. So a likes campaign is going to be a lot cheaper than, say, you're doing like a post engagement ad for, say, a landing page or a website. Like, let me go to, is it this one? Yeah, this one was 7 cents. Another reason why it was 7 cents is the placement. And I put feeds, in streaming videos. Again, I decided to use images through Facebook's gallery. They have some really crazy stuff. So I used that. And then this was my primary text, because like I said, I was trying to get leads instead of likes. That's why this one was a little bit more expensive. And I went ahead, this time I put the link here, and then I added a call to action, which I put learn more. I should have used Facebook Pixel, but I didn't, but that's where I messed up here. I should have put a pixel on here. And then here you get a chance to see what it looks like using the different feeds. That's Instagram. And let's go and open this up. Okay, simple as 1, 2, 3. And then I go in, and then this talks about the website. And then I did learn more here. Okay. That's another, most of these are 2 cents. It doesn't matter what you name your campaign. It's going to be auction as your buying type. Your objective is likes. The daily budget here was also $7. The location is worldwide. Now basically what I did is I just ended up using the same ad. I just copied the ad and just and duplicated it that way. So the rest of the ones that are 2 cents are basically the same ad over and over again. The thing that helps your ads remain low is if you have a low frequency score. And Facebook got rid of the relevancy score and they replaced it with the ad relevancy diagnostics. And that consists of the quality ranking, the engagement rate ranking, and the conversion rate ranking. Now when you click to begin a new ad, it pops up like this. And then it asks you, then they put these choices up here for you. So basically, if you want to do brand awareness or reach, you just pick one, either or. Pick brand awareness, it'll have show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them, or reach, show your ads to the maximum number of people. And I normally pick engagement. Now, I believe I picked traffic when I had my lead magnet. But for this one, I pick engagement. And then that's how you end up at the new campaign page. Fill out everything. You can use some of the choices I use, or you just play around with it. Yeah, I'm just doing this so you can see what it looks like without my information filled out. Then the ad name, you see that's open. After you're happy with the images that you pick or your videos that you pick, you go ahead and press publish. And that's it. Now, because you waited until the end of the tutorial, if you want my #1 recommendation for tapping into free Google Ads, just click the link below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I have some more videos coming out about Facebook ads, and I have a couple of cool tricks that I want to share with you. Bye-bye for now.